Today I went to this cute Halloween themed street fair which was celebrated near my place. This event was to support small businesses. As I entered, they handed me this cute purple postcard to collect stickers and win a free gift. Picking up a pumpkin was one of them, so I saw this cute little pumpkins and a giant one. But then I remember I don't eat pumpkin, so I just clicked pictures and kept it back. Then I did free tarot reading and took a selfie to collect stickers and complete the task. And while completing the task, they ask us to take free candies as much as we want. And I also got a free name tag, which was super cool. And since I finished all the three tasks, I got a surprise ball. And inside, I got a creepy eye as well. And this was a chalk activity for children. As you can see, that kid was about to draw something, I guess. And let's not forget to thank the DJ. Overall, it was a cute, spooky event for kids and adults. I really enjoyed it. Since I enjoyed my day and candy, I decided to go to the park to see the fall colors. As you can see, it's so beautiful. Look at this tree, so colorful. I thought of doing this DIY out of leaves. I saw this video a few days back, so I started collecting dry leaves from the ground. As you can see, I collected a lot. So first, take a smallest leaf you will find. Fold all the three sides of the leaf like this. And then slowly roll it like this to make a thin roll. And do the same with the 6 or 7 leaves in the same way until it looks like a flower bud. Once you're done, tie it with the leaf stem. Now take another leaf and fold the two sides of the leaf like this and use only the middle part of the leaf as the outer layer. Make sure to keep it intact so it doesn't fall apart. Repeat the steps until you are satisfied or it looks like a flower. Tie it with a rubber band to keep the leaf secure. And make sure to bend the leaf slightly outwards to make it look more like a flower. And see, isn't this something different? If you love fall, if you love DIY, or if you love nature, you should definitely try this. That's how I spent my day in this fall season. See you next time, and don't forget to come back and subscribe to my channel.